Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today's question is how can you use LinkedIn productively if you're running a small business? And the question is very relevant because a lot of people are wasting a ton of time on LinkedIn and getting no results. So if you want to learn what you have to do and how to use your time most efficiently, pay close attention. I'm going to share the exact secret what you have to do in this video. Now what you have to understand is why would you want to use LinkedIn? The reason why you want to use LinkedIn to generate leads for your business because LinkedIn has already the audience and it's quite easy for you to target very specific people. There is various means that you can use. The first one is how you build your audience. Who do you connect to and who starts to follow you? Then the next thing is that's how you get people to follow and connect with you. What kind of content are you putting out and what kind of hashtags are you using? If you master content creation on LinkedIn, you can quickly generate thousands, 10,000, 100,000 of views. And then over time, people will start following you. They will start connecting with you. And then they will read more content. They will build more trust, getting more engaged. And at some point, they're going to reach out to you. Now, this comes down to exactly the two key activities that you want to do on LinkedIn. The first one is you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile from A to Z, top to bottom. It has to look slick. You have to invest in a professional headshot photo that makes you look the part. You have to fill out all the different sections, make sure everything is complete. If you have your own business, make sure that you create a LinkedIn company page for your business and link that to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure that you have attached your logo and your company website. And once you have optimized this, it makes it much more likely that people will then be able to connect to you or to reach out to you because they feel like it's a real person. The great thing about this is you don't have to optimize it that often. You might have to do like a big job at the beginning, optimize everything, but then you only have to make small adjustments every once in a while. Every couple of months, if something is changing, just update a few things on your LinkedIn profile, but otherwise it's like done and over with. What you want to spend the majority of your time on is doing content research, finding the right hashtags on LinkedIn that will attract the right audience, doing content research after you have identified who your ideal audience is. You want to do research about what kind of topics and themes are really relevant for your audience. This will make sure that whenever you're publishing content about a specific topic, it's very likely that the person will actually instantly click with it and say like, I want to know what this is all about. And then they click the read more button, they read it, they start remembering your face and your name, they will start following you and connecting with you. So you have to understand your audience really, really well and then creating laser focused content that is attractive to your ideal audience. And then you will see over time, as you publish content every single day, more and more people will start following you. And then over time, as you build more content, people will reach out to you, send you connection requests, follow you, send you emails, go to your website and buy some of your products. Now, if you want to learn my entire blueprint, how to make this work, check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more marketing and LinkedIn videos, make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And I see you in the next video. Bye.